In today's video, I'm going to give you the complete step-by-step blueprint for creating and selling a digital Notion life planner. We'll cover everything from the initial design in Notion to packaging it professionally, automating the delivery, and setting it up for sale online. My goal is to show you exactly how to turn a single digital creation into a consistent stream of passive income. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to design your planner, automate its delivery so you never have to lift a finger after a sale, and build a system that allows people to purchase it 24/7. As always, every tool I mention is linked in the description below, so feel free to open them up and follow along as we build. Let's start with the big picture. Why a Notion Life Planner? The demand for digital organization tools has absolutely exploded. People are actively searching for a single, elegant solution to manage every aspect of their lives, from long-term goals and finances to daily tasks and health habits. A well-designed Notion planner is the perfect answer. The business model behind selling Notion templates is incredibly powerful for a few key reasons. First, you do the creative work once, and you can sell that same template an infinite number of times. Second, there's zero inventory to manage and no shipping costs to worry about, making your profit margins incredibly high. Finally, the delivery is instant and can be fully automated. This means that once your system is built, it works for you around the clock, generating sales and delivering products to customers anywhere in the world, even while you're asleep. It's a truly modern way to build a passive income asset. To bring this to life, you only need a handful of powerful tools, and you can start with the free version of every single one. First is Notion, the platform where we'll build the planner itself. It's a flexible and free to start workspace. Next is Canva, which we'll use for creating beautiful professional graphics like a cover banner for your planner and eye-catching mock-ups for your product page. Gumroad will be our digital storefront. It's a simple and secure platform for hosting your product and processing payments from customers. And finally, the key to our automation, System.io. This all-in-one tool will help us create a simple, high-converting landing page and an automated email sequence to deliver the planner to customers instantly after their purchase, building our email list at the same time. The synergy between these tools creates a seamless professional experience for your customers and a hands-off system for you. Now for the most important part, building your Notion Life Planner. A great planner is comprehensive but not overwhelming. We'll structure ours into 5 essential sections. The first section is the dashboard. This is the central hub and the first thing your customers will see. It needs to be clean, inviting, and functional. I recommend including a beautiful, minimalist banner at the top, created in Canva. Below that, create a set of quick navigation links to each of the other main sections. This makes moving around the planner effortless. A Today's Focus widget is also a great touch, where users can quickly jot down their top 3 priorities for the day. The second core section is for goal setting and a vision board. This is where users will map out their ambitions, create a database with a table view to serve as a goal tracker, add properties for the goal itself, its status like not started, in progress, or complete, and a timeline such as yearly or quarterly. You should also include a vision board, which you can easily create using a gallery view in a Notion database. Here users can upload inspiring images, quotes, and affirmations to keep them motivated. The third section is a robust task and project management system, the engine of the planner. Set this up with a master tasks database displayed as a Kanban board, letting users drag and drop tasks between to do, in progress, and done. Add properties like priority, due date, and category, personal work, health, so tasks can be filtered and sorted easily. The fourth section is a finance tracker. Since financial clarity is a major reason people want a life planner, build a simple monthly budget database with columns for income and expenses, and use Notion formulas to auto-calculate totals. Include a separate subscription tracker to show recurring payments each month. The fifth section is a habit and health tracker, focused on well-being and growth. Create a daily habit tracker with checkboxes for routines, plus a workout log for exercises, sets, and reps, and a meal planning table. For an advanced touch, link the meal plan to a grocery list database so ingredients are added automatically. Throughout the build, keep the design clean and functional. Simplicity and ease of use are what make planners stick. Once the structure is done, polish it so it feels premium. Establish a color palette of 2 to 3 brand colors and use them consistently for headings, callouts, and highlights. Create custom Canva icons for each section heading to add a professional, recognizable touch. Finally, ensure consistency in fonts, sizes, and spacing. A well-designed template isn't just about looks. It creates a seamless user experience, boosts perceived value, and encourages positive reviews and repeat customers. With your planner designed and polished, you need to prepare it for sale. This involves two simple but crucial steps. First, you need to get the shareable link from Notion. Go to the main page of your planner, click the share button in the top right corner, switch on the share to web toggle, and most importantly, make sure you enable the allow duplicate as template option. This is the special link that will allow your customers to copy the entire planner into their own Notion workspace. Copy this link and save it somewhere safe. Second, you'll create a quick start PDF guide. Instead of just sending customers a raw link, you'll deliver this professionally designed PDF. This document should include a warm thank you message, clear step-by-step instructions on how to duplicate and use the planner, and of course, the duplicate link itself. Presented as a clickable button, this PDF is also a great place to include your branding and links to your social media or other products. Now it's time to set up your digital storefront using Gumroad. Once you've signed up, create a new product and upload the Quick Start PDF. This is the file customers will download. Write a compelling title and detailed description for your Notion Life Planner, highlighting key benefits and features. Upload the Canva mockups to give buyers a preview, then set your price. $10 to $25 is a good starting point. Save the product and Gumroad gives you a direct checkout link for sales. To achieve passive income, automate delivery with System.io. Sign up, then create a one-page sales funnel featuring your mockups, planner benefits, and a clear Buy Now button linked to your Gumroad product. Set up an email automation. When a purchase is made, System.io sends a thank you email with the Quick Start PDF link. This ensures instant delivery and a professional experience without manual work. With Gumroad Live and Systemi.io built, you're ready to sell Notion templates. Share your landing page link across platforms. Social media bios, websites, blogs, and email lists. This setup handles payments and delivery, freeing you to create more products or market your planner. Your digital asset is now open 24/7, generating income whether you're working or not. To get consistent sales, market your planner effectively. Pinterest is excellent for showcasing pages with pins linked to your landing page. Short-form video, Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts can highlight features, before and after results, or quick tours. Use your System.io email list, send weekly or bi-weekly tips, and occasionally promote your planner or announce new templates. Consistent marketing fuels passive income. Once your planner sells steadily, scale up. Use your first product as proof of concept and expand. Create themed versions for students, entrepreneurs, or fitness enthusiasts. Bundle multiple templates at a discount to boost order value. Pay attention to customer feedback. It can inspire new features or products. The more high-quality templates in your store, the more stable and scalable your income becomes. And that's it. You now have the full playbook. Create your Notion Life Planner, host it on Gumroad, automate with System.io, and sell for passive income. All links to Notion, Gumroad, System.io, Canva, and resources are in the description. Grab them and start building your digital product empire today. If this video helped, subscribe to Work Mode Tech and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.